Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon, just in case you don't know. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a eye look. They're all like Valentine's themed, so this one is going to be called Blue Without You because it's going to be blue. I'm not really sure. I'm just really winging it, you guys. I tried a couple looks earlier and I wasn't sure what I was going to do, so I'm just going to wing it. So if you want to see me wing it, then just stick around. Okay, so I'm just going to start with, I'm wondering if I should only do one eye on camera today. I'm not sure. Okay, when I'm working with eyeshadows that aren't super pigmented, I like to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I don't set it. I just dab the eyeshadow onto, like straight onto the concealer. So that's what I'm doing right now. If you guys see this nasty burn, I forgot to mention it to you guys. I think I mentioned it in one video, but I edited it out because the video was long. About a week ago, I bought a frozen pizza, and when I took it out of the oven, I don't know how I managed to do it, but my finger hit the baking sheet and it burned me. And it was healing nicely for the first couple days. And then I went and I tied my shoes. Sorry, I have itchy nose, you guys. I went and I tied my boots because I had to go outside and shovel. And I don't know, the lace got around my finger as I was tying it and I ripped the blister. Yeah, so that was pretty ouch. That hurt. Okay, so I'm sorry. I'm going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. That's why I'm using this concealer without setting it, because it's not super pigmented, you guys. It looks pigmented, but it's not. So I'm going to go into this shade right here. And I'm actually, should I? Yeah, I'm going to go into that shade right there. And I'm just going to tap it into the outer corner. I think I will just do one eye on camera today because I'm not even sure what I'm going to be doing, so I have a feeling it's going to take a little longer than usual. So that's what I'm going to do. But I see how it sticks better when you don't set it, because earlier I had put concealer and then I set it and it wasn't very pigmented and I was like, this really sucks. I was really frustrated and I almost didn't even do the video. But my friend Jessie, and I know you're watching, Jessie, you said you can't wait to see the next one. So I was like, you know what, Shannon, Jessie's waiting for the next video, so get your ass on that camera and make that video, girl. Girl. Okay, and now I'm going to be going into this shade right here. It's not blue. It's got like a green tint to it, sort of like a teal, but not quite. I'm going to use that in the crease. Well, in the crease and like a little higher than the crease. See, you guys, I'm winging this. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. You ever just wake up one day and you're like, I'm going to do a video, and you're like in this good mood and you're, I don't know, you're feeling creative and you get on there and you make a video and you do this great eye look, and then other days you're like, I just ain't feeling it. I just am not feeling it. And today's one of those days. So I hope you love me, Jessie, for making this video, and everybody else too. You know what, you guys? I'm going to take that blue that I took in the corner here, and I'm going to take it into the crease a little bit as well. I didn't add any more product to the brush. I'm just using the brush with a little bit of eyeshadow that was left on it. I'm not really digging this look so far, you guys. I'm going to go back into that blue again, putting more product on my brush and dabbing some more into the outer corner. It's just not bold enough for me. You know what I'm saying? back into this brush. Oh, you guys, I want to just update you on that lipstick. My lips are driving me crazy. Ever since I used that lipstick the other day, that Beauty Big Bang matte lipstick, my lips are like peeling. It's driving me crazy. And before the video, like I picked off a little bit, but it's really dry right here. Alright, so now I'm going to be applying this Intention. It's called Intention, and it's Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow. I'm going to be applying that to that area. And then, like I did the other day, I just dab at the end of it to make it look like it's blending in. This one's a little tiny bit dry, but I've had it for a while as well. And then I just tap over it, you know, because this stuff is a little chunky. It's not as good as the Stila, but it's nice. Alright, and now I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Infallible Silkissime Cobalt Blue eyeliner. And I'm going to put that on the line of my eye and going to be tight lining as well. Now I'm going to be going back into that shade, the shade that we put up here. I'll show you. Just to remind you, this one right here. I'm going back into that one and I'm going to put that in my lash line. Alright, so I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright you guys, so I'm back. I went off camera and I just did the other eye. I also added highlighter, my Blossom Glow, to the arch of my brow and the inner corner on both eyes. And I put my foundation and concealer and that on. Usually I wipe my foundation and stuff off my lips usually, but I left it and you're going to see why in a minute. But let's go ahead with the contour real quick. And then the blush, which is my Pearlescent Pink blush by Wet n Wild. This one. And the lipstick, actually I'm just gonna pop some lashes on and some mascara and then we will do the lips. Okay you guys, so the lashes are on, the mascara is on. I did originally want to use this Cobalt Blue by L'Oreal, but I also wanted to wear lashes, so I opted out of the blue for lashes and black mascara. But if you're not going to be wearing lashes, you can go ahead and use a blue mascara. I'm going to be using this Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild lipstick, and it's this blue, and it looks really pretty. It's shimmery. I've never worn it before. I did try it on earlier with my bare lips, and it just looks, it's not really very opaque. So I'm hoping that with the concealer on my lips, it would help make it look more opaque. So let's see. My lips are so dry. Hey you guys, I'm so sorry about that. I don't know how much you guys saw because I have to go back and look at it, but the camera had to shut off because it got overheated again. So I put some highlighter on because I forgot to do that. I also forgot yesterday in my video from yesterday, well I posted it today but I made it yesterday, I forgot to put highlighter on my inner corner and in the arch of my brow. So that's the only thing I forgot yesterday. But anyway, I think I remembered everything today. I really like the way the look came out actually. It turned out really nice. It kind of looked funky as we were going along, but it actually finished nicely. This lipstick is not super opaque, but it is buildable. So yeah, it's not bad. Doesn't really match entirely, I don't think. Doesn't really match all that great, but I don't have any other shades of blue lipstick. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and I will see you next time. I love you guys. Bye.